Morning everyone. We hope you enjoyed Sports Day yesterday and Big Ted has had to wait an extra day to show you today's sound. So he has been very busy on his sound hunt. Would you like to see what he's found? Maybe you can hear the sound that's in all of these things. Let's have a look. What's that you've got over there? We've got some olive oil. Thank you, Big Ted. Maybe you could do some cooking for me later. What else have you got today? What's this? Does anyone know what this is called? And it even says it again. It's kitchen foil. So we've got some foil and some oil. What else did you find, Big Ted? A plant? That doesn't have any of those sounds. Do you want me to look at underneath? What's that? What do plants need to live? They need soil. You've got soil. What's that? Oh, you've just watered it. You've just watered the soil, so it's nice and moist. Okay, so we've got some moist soil, some oil, some foil. Did you find anything else? You found, what coin is this? A 2p coin. Is that the end of your sound hunt? You found one last thing. And you drew us a picture. Big Ted drew us another picture. Let's have a look. We've got a pig. But what is he saying, everyone? Can you see? Oink. Oink. Can you say oink like a pig? Oink, oink. Here we've got a pig saying oink, some moist soil, some foil, some oil, and a 2p coin. Have you guessed what sound these words all have? It's the oi sound. Can you make the oi sound? It's as if you start off with your mouth in a circle and then you go to smile. Oi, oi. Can you do it now? Start with a circle and then smile. Oi. Let's have a look at some of these words and see if you can read them. So we've got t, oi, o, toil, p, oi, nt, p, oint, point. Can you point at me now? Point. Sp, sp, oi, o, spoil. You could say, don't spoil the cake by putting spinach in it. Spoil. And then we've got k, oi, o, coil, coil. And we've got s, oi, o, soil. Got Big Ted's plant in some soil here. And we've got a k, oi, coin. Big Ted found a coin earlier, didn't he? F, oi, oh, foil. And the last word is b, oil. If I was going to make some pasta, I'd want the water to boil, wouldn't I? Where is the oi sound in all of these words? Let's have a look at soil. S, oi, o. Is the oi sound at the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, or the end of the word? Yes, you're right. The oi sound is in the middle of the word, and it's in the middle of all of these words. There are some words like oil and oink where the oi sound is at the beginning of the word, but most of the time you find it in the middle of the word. We don't ever really find the oi sound at the end of a word spelt with an o and an I. There's another way of spelling the oi sound at the end of a word, and we'll learn that tomorrow. Maybe you could now go on a sound hunt at home and find some words with the oi sound in them.